let us see one problem again, that one. So y is equal 2px plus p power n. So this is the question, 2px plus p power n. So already that is in y is in terms of x and p. So first we need to write y left side and remaining terms right side. So obviously the given problem is looking like as y is equal f of x comma p. So y is only left side and this is in right side. So now take the given differential equation, y is equal to px plus p power n. 2px plus p power n. Let me take it as 1 and differentiating 1 with respect to x on both sides. Then what will get? Dy by dx is equal. So 2 is a constant, d by dx of px plus d by dx of p power n. d by dx of p power n. Now dy by dx is nothing but simply what we can write, p is equal 2 into. So d by dx of px is nothing but you can apply product rule, right? So here it is, you can choose u and this is nothing but v. So p into x derivative is 1 plus x into the derivative of p is nothing but dp by dx plus d by dx of p power n is nothing but n into p power n minus 1 into and the derivative of p is nothing but dp by dx. So now p is equal, you can multiply 2 inside of that, 2p plus 2x into dp by dx plus n into p power n minus 1 dp by dx. Now here it is having, take this p term into right side, left side, then it is p minus 2p is equal. In these two terms, which one is the common one? dp by dx is the common one. So take that one as common and then what about remaining? 2x plus n into p power n minus 1. And here it is, p minus 2p is nothing but minus p, and take this dp by dx into left side. So when it comes to this side, it changes to dx by dp is equal 2x plus n into p power n minus 1. Now divide this p minus p with right side, then it is dx by dp is equal minus 2x by p minus 2x by p minus 2x by p plus n into p power n minus 1 by minus p, n into p power n minus 1 by minus p. So here it is dx by dp and take this term into right side, left side. So there it is plus minus, when it comes to this side plus 2 by p into x is equal minus n into p power n minus 1, and take this p also numerator, it changes to minus 1, and then dx by dp plus 2 by p into x is equal. So here it is minus n into a power m into a power n. That is simply what we'll get, p into p power n minus 2. Why? Because here minus 1, minus 1, minus 2. Now this is a differential equation and we need to find the solution for this, right? Let me take it as 2. Is this in variable separable applicable? No. So this is looking like as Leibniz's linear equation. So that is nothing but equation 2 is a linear equation or Leibniz's linear differential equation in terms of what? In x, right? In x. Now you need to follow the linear differential equation procedure here. So what is the first step? There it is. There it is. First you need to find integrating factor. Integrating factor is equal e power integral. Here it is having, if you observe that in terms of p here. So for that we need to take 2 by p dp. 2 by p dp. So this is equal to e power 2 is a constant. We can write outside integral 1 by p dp. So this is equal to e power 2 into integral 1 by p is nothing but log p. So this is equal to e power m log a. This is simply we can write log a power m. So e power log a is nothing but p square. So this is the integrating factor. Now we need to find the solution for this, right? So what is the solution? There it is having, we have to write x into integrating factor is equal integral q of p. So q of p is nothing but here it is minus n into p power n minus 2 into integrating factor is here it is having p square dp plus constant. Here it is x into integrating factor is nothing but p square, right? So p square source is equal minus n is a constant integral p power a power m into a power nm. So that is p power n minus 2 plus 2 dp plus constant. Here it is 2 to both will cancel. And then xp square is equal minus n into integral p power n formula is nothing but x power n is nothing but x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus constant c. And now, so take this p square into this side. So if you take this side, then what will get? X is equal to minus n by p square into p power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c by p square. So that implies x is equal to, here it is minus n by n plus 1. And if you observe this one, take this p square into numerator. If you take that one into numerator, what will happen? P power n plus 1 minus 2 plus c into p power minus 2. So x is equal, simply what will get? Minus n by n plus 1 p power n minus 1 plus c p power minus 2. If you observe that previous problems and this problem, what is the difference? In previous problem, we got it as p value and we substituted that p value directly in the given problem. But is it possible to eliminate p here? Is it possible to split this p from this entire one? It is not possible. In that case, what we said, when we discussed about the procedure, if possible, we can eliminate p. If not, then simply we may, what will get the solution? Simply you can substitute this one in the given problem. So for that, here elimination of p is not possible. So elimination of p is not possible. So for that, simply what we can do it, we can substitute this x value in equation 1. So substituting x in equation 1, then what will get? Y is equal 2p into x is nothing but this total one you can substitute minus n by n plus 1 p power n minus 1 plus c p power minus 2 plus p power n, right? So just I substituted in place of x as, that's what we got it. Now you can simplify this one, minus n by n plus 1. Of course, 2 here, 2 also I'm writing here, minus 2n by n plus 1. Here it is, if you observe that p power 1 here and here n minus 1. So simply what we can write, p power n minus 1 plus 1 is nothing but n will get plus c into p power 1 minus 2 is nothing but minus 1 plus p power n. P power n. So that is, therefore y is equal, simply what we got it, if you observe this in these two terms, p power n is the common one. So if you take that one as common, what will get? Minus 2n by n plus 1 plus 1 plus c p power minus 1 is nothing but simply what we can write, c by p. So that is y is equal p power n into, so if you take LCM, what will get? N plus 1. And here it is in the numerator minus 2n plus n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c by p. So that is y is equal p power n into, so minus 2n plus n is nothing but minus n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c by p. And let it be taken as, here it is, we can give the name for this one as nothing but equation 3 and this is nothing but equation 4. Okay, so finally what you can write here, the equations, therefore the equations 3 and 4 taken together together with parameter p, with parameter p. Parameter p constitute the general solution of equation 1. So it means, what is the general solution of equation 1 is nothing but, by taking x as well as y, we'll say that the general solution of equation 1. So this is one of the model. So previous problems what we discussed, those two problems are elimination is possible. So that's why we did p value, we calculated and we substituted that p in the given problem. But here it is, here we are not getting p directly from this. It is not possible to eliminate p. So in that case, what we are doing, we calculated x and we substituted this x as it is in the given problem. Now we got it as y is equal to this one. And we'll say that the general solution of the given differential equations are here nothing but equation 3 and 4. So those two are the solutions for the given differential equations. Okay, so this is the one. So